My video will help you to remove the ransomware called Level, and this Level ransomware is from the Babuk family. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. In my video I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So it actually encrypts files and damages the files. The ransomware is called Level because it encrypts files and appends this level extension to the file names. So you should not pay the ransom as the ransom note suggests. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus application. So I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, which is combocleaner.com, and download the application through this official resource, install the program, and once the application gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and then effectively eliminate this Level ransomware and any other types of infections which could still possibly stealthily remain on your device. So use Combo Cleaner to get your system fully fixed and repaired and cleaned from this Level ransomware and to remove any other possibly concealed threats. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.